Why clean your dryer vent? Oftentimes, a dryer vent can be the cause of problems seen and unseen. The dryer vent being clogged can result in a potential fire hazard, decrease in drying time and efficiency, increase in utility bills. These problems can put serious safety risk for you and your family, in addition costing unnecessary money due to a decrease in dryer efficiency. What causes dryer vent clogging? Bird nesting is often a culprit of dryer vent clogging. We've witnessed birds build nests that back up several feet into the dryer vent duct line. They can stop up a vent, clogging up the lint that would normally be free to flow outside. But not only that, also having a lot of curves and turns in the dryer duct line can cause a strain for the airflow, again causing lint to build up. In addition, if your dryer duct line goes up the walls or to your roof and has to work against gravity, this too can increase the frequency in which lint builds up. At Professional Carpet and Air-Duct Care, we use the latest and most advanced equipment in the air duct and dryer vent cleaning industry. Everything from industrial power vacuums and blowers, large compressed air units, truck-mounted vacuum systems, rotary brush units, and air whips are at our disposal for an effective way of leaving your dryer vent clean and free of debris. For a safe and efficient solution to your dryer vent needs, call Professional Carpet and Air-Duct Care. Located in Bloomington, Indiana. Telephone 812-323-8158. Website carpetductcare.com.